Morning, YouTube. Saturday morning. I'm not awake yet, but I've got something I want to get done today. Figured I'd show you guys what I got going on. Hopefully down there you can see I'm installing some additional ceiling on my garage doors. Why am I doing that? Well, let me show you. When it rains, I had been getting some water coming in right along here. See, I've already got a seal laid down there. So I'm gonna seal up these corners as well, all the way around, all four corners, once I get this in. But I want to show you guys kind of how the seal goes down. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. First thing I did was cut it out, fit right in between the tracks. I had laid it out underneath the door here with the big thick yellow part just slightly inside. See if I can give you guys a profile shot. You know, thinner side goes to the outside, thicker side on the inside. I close the door down on it. And then all I do is I go along and I'm just pushing it up so it's a good tight seal. Then what I'll do is I'll take a pencil, I'll mark out the front side, I'll open the door, I'll mark out the other side, pull the seal out of the way, go in half an inch to an inch on both sides. Do another parallel set of lines, lay out my adhesive here. This is what I'm using, Peel Max. So not only is it, obviously it's a really good adhesive, I like the fact that gray is very close to this, so if I have a little bit of leakage at some point, I'm not super worried about it. So yeah, I'm going to finish my coffee. Then I'll get to work on this. Hopefully you guys can see that. We got right where this is going to sit. So now what I want to do is make two parallel lines, and so about a ½ inch in both sides, mark it all the way down. So let's get that done. Just in case you're wondering how to open these, snip the tip off. I just use a paper clip and get stabby inside of there. There's a seal down inside you gotta break. Alright, so once I've got the whole bead down, I'm going to take the seal, wipe any dirt or anything off of it. Alright. Now we just lay it in place. And as I go laying it in place, all I'm doing is getting my lines, well, line back up. I want to push the air out from underneath. There we go.
Get that.
Hey, what?
I'll get this away.
I need a couple minutes, kid. I'm getting my seal in place.
Just had a surprise for you. I'm scared.
I'm worried.
Why?
You got a surprise for me. Why wouldn't that worry me?
I don't know.
I gotta clean up the excess adhesive that came out. And I want to make sure I've got all the bubbles out of there. Because what does air do when it gets hot?
Bubbles.
No, it expands.
Oh, yeah. Nobody likes adhesive.
You kidding me? This stuff's great.
Well, I mean, getting it off.
It's totally fine. See, the fact that I have some squeezing out the sides means that I got plenty in there. And that's what I want.
Okay. And that's for surprise?
You want to grab me a couple more paper towels?
Yeah.
But don't step on this. Didn't. Go grab me some. I'm still getting some small. Right here. They're on the back of the.
Oh, I see it.
Pull me out. Set the switch down, please.
How many?
Grab me like 2, maybe 3. Still get a couple of air bubbles out of this.
You know how to do?
Well, yeah, that's exactly what I'm trying to do. Thank you.
Welcome. That's for a surprise. It's a Pokemon Sword on your account. So you have even more to worry about.
Hear these air bubbles? They sound like they're popping.
Yeah.
That's me getting more and more of the air out.
You know what the air bubbles?
Ooh.
They would probably swarm you with the garage door when it's closed.
It's not that it would lift the garage door, but what would happen over time is that this adhesive would fail because of the constant thermal expansion and contraction, meaning it would get bigger, get smaller, get bigger, get smaller. And by doing that,
As if like it was breathing.
yes, just like if it was breathing.
I'm pretty sure your back don't enjoy this.
Well, that's why I'm sitting on the ground, so that's not nearly so hard on my back as it could be. And see, you don't hear those little pops.
I do kind of.
That's me getting the
I got stevia adhesive right there.
uh-huh.
Is it liquid adhesive or?
It is for right now. It's a very thick like paste. Oh, I know.
It's like if that sign was even still there, I'd be like.
See, that's part of the reason I got this adhesive, because see how it's gray, just like the epoxy is?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So
I
it'll,
don't even notice it.
yeah, you barely notice.
That's kind of hard to get out. Because it's kind of hard to see. Alright?
No, it's not hard to see.
Oh, and it's all done.
Yeah, when it's all done, if you're not looking for it, you'll barely notice it. Which is what I wanted. I'm not exactly a pro, kid. This is not my day job, right?
Yeah.
But instead of paying somebody hundreds of dollars to do this,
You could have also used black adhesive.
I thought about that, but I like the gray better because it's on the,
Brown.
yeah, because it's all on the epoxy here. All right. Now what I'll do is just close the door over it.
Wait.
No, it's good enough.
It
Doesn't have to be perfect. Don't let perfect be the enemy of good.
be the enemy of truth.
So I'll close this down on top of it. Make sure it's all the way pushed up against the seal. Yeah, see how the yellow runs right along the edge?
Yeah, that actually looks pretty cool.
Pretty clean, huh?
I saw
Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some boards and I'm going to add some weight on here.
because why not?
Well, it's just to help push it up against the seal as it.
Why not use your bike?
No, I can't fit the bike down in there.
I'll grab the wood. We're talking about some lights here.
So what you're trying to do, but it doesn't have to sit right up against it. We're spreading the load out. So we'll put it out like this. See, I push down into it. And then I just throw
A thing on it. That's
some
kind
weight on it. And let me get one more over here.
of hard one. More bad batteries?
Yep.
Did you get them? Bad batteries?
Mm-hmm.
Bad? Like that bad joke?
Yep.
The worst joke ever.
All right, now we let it sit for 24 hours. I'm gonna gather up my garbage.
Imagine if somebody actually thought it said 24 minutes.
All right, fully installed. Both sides. What do I think of it? It's been fantastic. I've had no more water come up inside here under a big heavy rainstorm. It's been raining most of the day, no issue. So used to have water would kind of come run up along in here, come back in, but you can see keeps it all out. And what more can you really ask for? Well, there you go. We installed some garage seals. Hopefully you found this video at least somewhat useful. If you did, consider hitting the like button, share it. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you've done something like this before. If you've had any other, specific items that you've used to help ensure that your workshop stays nice and clean. Yeah, that's really it for this one. As always, thanks for watching.